you're supposed to stick in Tiger Crane too. I find that shoulder claw opening up is just, it gets you right where you need to be to set yourself up for the Tiger Crane. Right. So I'm pretty much practicing my engaging and my defense strictly with my Tai Chi. And that.
Try a few different combinations here.
Yep.
So first one's hand right, hit the bottom, and the uppercut. So I get the idea how to defend it.
I like it.
That fucking sucks.
Hey, this is Payton, Milton, Qigong, Kung Fu, Tai Chi. I'm going to be practicing some Chinese martial arts with Jaren here.
More of a generalist when it comes to martial arts versus, you know, traditional. But there is a lot of things that, you know, I appreciate about the Chinese styles. So, you know, I appreciate the opportunity to work with you.
Nice.
But
Same.
Right now, I have a fight to focus on the 31st at Street Beef Scrapyard. So
yeah. So Simo here is an amateur fighter, and he's going to be competing on the 31st. So we're both hoping to get some pretty good training in here. He's going to be training to fight, and I'm going to be training to defend myself using the Chinese martial arts.
So sweet.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Fucking brutal on the arm.
Well, I'm glad to know that. Yeah, I do just love that. I love that because as soon as I'm here, I've got so many options.
Right.
I can go here, here, and here. And then I've got another one. So you can do side, down. It's amazing.
So try a few different combinations here.
Yep.
So first one's hand right, hit the bottom, and the uppercut. So that fucking sucks.
It's just like knife fighting. In knife fighting, you want to hit their hand instead of anything else because it's the thing that's close to you.
Right.
You don't want to get close to that blade, so you hit them on the pinky or something,
right.
or like their thumb or on the wrist, make them drop their knife. Definitely gotta work on that one.
Yeah, if I really stepped in on that one, like, that looks like it'll get through.
Yeah, it would.
Especially if I'm being like super aggressive.
I didn't expect the different angle, and you came in at me more on the side, so it was super good. Yep. Yeah.
So I get over more, that leaves you more.
Yeah. My only defense for it is this, basically. Like, oh no, don't hit me. But then you stretch out the turtle back while you do that, and then it becomes a nice padding.
I lost my footing there. So I'm glad we're doing this on this because it's going to make it a lot easier to do it on solid ground.
That's true. Yep, you should always do environment training. On the street, they get hurt by tripping and falling on shit.
Right. Seeing where it's in my mind, like naturally, like as I'm doing it, I'm going right from. Remember, I was telling you, no matter where you're at, there you are.
Yeah.
Like so, you throw jab and set you up for the cross. Well, just doing the same thing where I'm here, and I go straight to Wing Chun, and I'm learning how to merge straight from one thing to the other, like without having to backtrack. You know, like learning where to, like, here I am, what is this? And then it's like, oh, I've been here before. You know?
Yeah. You got to practice making those split-second decisions. What is going to do the thing?
Know how to respond. So you got to know where you're at all times.
Yeah.
Because no matter where you go, there you are.
So I'm pretty much practicing my engaging and my defense strictly with my Tai Chi. And then every time you come in, I switch to Kung Fu.
Right.
And I go for big neck chop. Ooh, that one would have got me.
Yeah,
that one would have got me hardcore.
You gotta watch that one. I was gonna say, because I'm try a few different combinations here.
Yep.
So first one's hand right, and I hit the bottom, and the uppercut. So I'm gonna throw it a few times, so you kind of know,
nice.
Get the idea how to defend it.
I like it.
That fucking sucks.